It appears today a lot of people are just trying to get more performance out of their rides. Well, today I'm going to show you something that could save you a lot of money and give you that performance feel. Stay tuned. Well, as you can tell by the thumbnail, it's no secret, but a lot of people spend thousands of dollars on new exhaust systems and cold air intakes and headers and all those things. And the truth is, and this is coming from a guy who's driven high performance vehicles before, you won't really know the difference unless you put on a dyno. So there's really no way to tell the difference between 270 horsepower and 285 horsepower, give or take. I mean, psychologically, you might think that by adding a filter or a cold air intake or an exhaust, you're automatically adding horsepower, but will you really notice it? Well, today I'm going to show you a really quick install to give you that driver experience that everyone seeks. And it's simply called the Pedal Commander. That's right. This here, Pedal Commander, what it does is it removes the factory lag that is put on the accelerator pedal, because car manufacturers are pressured by I think it's the EPA, to provide longer ranges than possible. So before you go out and buy that expensive new exhaust system or invest in a whole new cold air intake, consider purchasing the Pedal Commander. Give it a try. And I'm going to do a quick install to show you how easy this plug and play installation is. And what it does is it removes that factory lag, and it gives you the acceleration, the get up and go that most people search for, which is why they invest in more expensive engine components. So let me show you how easy it is to put this on. So this module is 2 harnesses. So you are going to take out the one harness that is connected right above your gas pedal and plug it into here, and then this one will go, or it could be reversed. Let me just show you. So right now I am going under the gas pedal, and you're going to see that harness right there. And all you have to do is clip it off from the other side and pull it out. And I will show you just how to do it. Here it is. So this is the part that's facing away from you. All you're going to do is pinch it from the top, just to lift that lever right there a little bit and pull it straight up. And that will loosen or remove that harness there. Now we move to the Pedal Commander. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to route the cable here underneath the steering wheel, right through this corridor, and it will come out the backside and makes it a little cleaner. I will caution you though, from past experience, that this cable, you might want to route it under your floor mat, because if it's just left hanging, it could get caught up on your foot. So if you're going to consider getting this and doing it that way, that is definitely a safety precaution to consider. So I'm just going to stick it in through this little opening here and feed it through, and there it is. Comes out right there. Now, as you can see, there is a male and a female end. So this is the end that you just removed. So what you want to do is actually hook this part up to the end there that we just took out, and this part will go into the area that we removed this from. And I will show you exactly what that looks like. Here it is. Just plugged it in. And now this one here will be installed. Where are you, camera? Right up there. Push it down here, the click, and you're golden. You have that hooked up there, and the other side hooked up to the other end of the Pedal Commander, which is now up here, out of the way. And what you could do, like I said, is you could could tuck it out of the way. I would suggest, you might not have enough cable, but if you decide to run it through your floor mat there and then up, you could do it that way. Depending on where you want to mount the module, it does come with Velcro backing for the bracket, which I will show you where I'm going to install mine. So what I decided to do instead of going through the under the steering wheel, I'm just bringing it under here. There's this little plastic thing right behind the knee airbags here. So you just follow that underneath. And there's this, provides a hole. So I ran a zip tie through there just to keep it up. And right in the front here, there's another hole there. Ran another zip tie there just to keep the cable out of the way. And I'm just going to pull the extra slack under there so it doesn't get in the way out here. And the last time I had it mounted here, but now I'm actually just going to mount it right there by the climate control knobs, a little out of the way and easily accessible while you're driving when you decide to turn it on. Now, if you've never seen this before, there is 4 modes. Eco, which actually allows you to save gas, put your car in like a gas, saving mode. I notice like the air conditioner doesn't get as cold. City is when you start to notice it. So you could set it to city and you already feel the accelerator respond. And in city, you'll have 4 settings. You have the plus 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's sport and sport plus. So the higher you go, the more aggressive. And with each setting, you have a 0, and then if you hit the plus button, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 to get more aggressive as you go up. But this is how you will get the driving experience that most people crave, which causes them to go and buy more high performance items costing thousands. This is what you need, the Pedal Commander. Take my word for it and thank me later. Thank you all for watching. This is Ryan from Riding in Style.
Yeah.